Hi there, Sam from Swiss Fans here. Today I'm absolutely delighted to show you our all new Ford Transit Custom with a Hornet. This is actually a one of one. As you can see, it's got our bespoke wrap on there, brilliant head turner, and the video, to be honest, does not do the wrap justice. You take this thing out in the sun and it looks absolutely electric. Let's have a look around. So it's got the Hornet Kit. What does that include? So you get your front splitter. You also get your front bumper inserts. We've also fitted an optional extra, which is the grille. Typically it comes with 18-inch alloys. This one has got the optional extra of the 20-inch alloys, which I'm sure you'll agree looks absolutely incredible. Let's take a look around. You've got your side skirts. Also comes with a rear diffuser with a mock exhaust. A black spoiler to match. Let's take a look at the back end. I'm sure you'll agree it sets off beautifully. Look at that colour change. It's absolutely phenomenal. This van is a real head turner. As I said, it's one of one. You would be the only one with this in the UK. Well, in the world, I suppose. Great way to catch the attention. Stick around and we'll take right then, folks. Ford have done an incredible job of actually modernising these vehicles. As you can see, digital dash, very nice feature nowadays. This also comes with your push button start and a nice big display. The new Ford Transit Custom has also got an electric handbrake, as you can see there. Again, very modern compared to what the last shape. Take a look at that. So this is our sport seat leather upgrade. Customers will have a choice of the colour of the leather, the stitching and the pattern. This one, to be precise, has had the sport seat upgrade. So we actually change the shape of the seat, make it a little bit comfier, feel a bit sportier. And obviously with the bench to match. If this vehicle was to have two front seats, then they would both look like this one. As I mentioned, you'll have your own choice of stitching, the pattern, the colour of the leather. You can really make it your own. Let's have a look. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching.